Hi traders, Anthony here. We just had a signal fire here. I've entered short MATIC USDT and I want to show you our strategy here. So what we're looking for is this signal preceded by the same. That's our valid setup here. We go in on the pullback. I shorted right here where price pulled back to this line, this median here. That was my short. What I'm going to do is pull my stop loss above the cloud. Let me just bump up the cloud so we can see that. I'm going to show you this strategy and show you how profitable this is. There's our cloud. Okay, so we can see that clearly. Alright, stop loss goes above the cloud right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a trailing stop loss. The trail will follow the cloud. Okay, so now we're gaining a little bit of ground here. Generally I'm going to look to take partial profits fairly early. Let's take 80. So I'm going to close this now, and what I'm looking for 1 times the ATR. See down here the ATR value 007. So let's just close 80%, close partial at 1 times the ATR. We're going to partially close. Hi guys, I'm back. I had to attend to some family matters and I had a little bit of lunch. So we're going to continue on here. Now we've closed 80%. If we go in, have a look, we can see that in dollar value on this account we've closed $176. We use this as a measure with our stop loss. Now if we leave our stop loss here, we're nearly $40 or thereabouts in profit. If this stop loss gets taken out, we're nearly $40 in profit overall. But we're going to shift gears a little bit here. This was our initial stop loss. Entry short was in here. We've closed 80%. So what we're going to do now is we're going to trail the price. So we pull our stop loss down. See where the cloud opens here, these dots? Stop loss comes down to just beyond the dots there. So we're going to follow this all the way with the stop loss trailing these dots. Okay, we move our stop loss once we've taken 80%. This is going to leave us $16 in the money here with our stop loss. If the stop loss gets taken out, this will be a $16 profit here. So I'll just have a quick look down here. We started with $10,000, so what we're looking to do is build the account. So we're up around 15.6 in equity at the moment. So let's just close that. This is risk-free. Now we have a whole system around our targets and where to take profit. I'm not going to cover that in this video, but what I will do in the video is we're going to go back and have a look at this strategy and see what kind of a result we're getting. So essentially what we're looking for is, in this case, a green up triangle preceded by a green up triangle. This is our trade. We tend to come in on the first consolidation or pull back into the mean. We're going to look at our ATR and we're going to take profit at 1 times the ATR. The stop loss starts off here. As soon as we close 80%, stop loss moves up to here. This is in the money. If this stop loss gets taken out, this is a profitable trade overall. As price moves, the stop loss moves with the cloud, and then we let the stop loss get taken out there. If you happen to see this double top, you can manually exit if you want to. Going back, you're going to be surprised at how well this works out. Let's just give this a thumbs up. That's a profitable trade. That was a profitable trade. Coming back, we don't trade into the cloud. We trade out of the cloud. This is a break out of the cloud. We don't take that because it's preceded by the opposite color. That's telling us the market's ranging more or less. That's a trade into the cloud. This is a break out of the cloud here, preceded by the same color. That's a valid setup. We take this short on the pullback into the mean, that line through here. So in this case we short it here. Our stop loss goes above the cloud. Target, pull it out of the way. We'll come back to the target later on because we're mainly interested in target 1 at the moment. Short here. Target 1 is reached here. We're looking at 1 times the ATR. Target 1 gets reached. We move that down to just above this first row of dots on the cloud. This is a profitable outcome, well and truly in the money. Market moves up, stop loss has moved to here, and we've made money. Remember from the beginning here, if we have a quick look, we're already 176 in profit here, and our current stop loss is $16 ahead. If this stop loss was up around the cloud where we were previously, we were looking at a $100 loss here. 176 less 100, we're still going to make $76 if this stop loss was up around here where my mouse is. So consider how profitable this strategy is. So we have another winning trade. Just coming back here. Do we take that? No, because it's preceded by the opposite color. That's trading into the cloud, we don't touch it. This is our setup right here. We come in on the first pullback. If you missed this, it'd be this one here, pull back into the mean. There's your long. Stop loss is going to go beyond the cloud. You're looking for 80% at 1 times the ATR. Move your stop loss up and leave it under the dots here. Market continues on. Stop loss is under the dots, and we basically just follow the price up, pulling the stop loss up under the dots. Stop loss is here, and this is a trailing stop. It's in the money, well and truly in the money. Look how far we've come. So we've made some decent profits with this trade. Trailing stop losses well and truly in the money here. Quite a profitable trade, this one. Another green thumb. So we're just trying to find, out of the last 10, how did we go? Did we have any losers? And I have my doubts. This is a high win rate trading system, I have to tell you. We didn't take that. Would have been a nice outcome, but we didn't have the setup. So we let that go. And I'll tell you why. These don't matter. This break out of the cloud we don't touch because it's preceded by green. Alright, no go. These guys trading into the cloud we don't touch. What I want to show you is this. There's your trade right here. We have the setup, we take it, we're looking for first consolidation or pull back into the mean. Entry short, I just deleted my thing. So, entry short here, stop loss starts off up here. When the market moves in our favor, 1 times the ATR, there's our ATR down here. We measure it out using this measure tool here. We close 80% and immediately move the stop loss down to just above, and we follow the cloud basically, these dots. Market moves to here, our stop loss is here. Okay? Market's here, our stop loss is here. Market's here. See where we get taken out here? That is a profitable trade. Have a look at these guys. We don't touch it because it's preceded by the opposite color. There's our trade set up right here. By the way, these signals fire over in our alerts log. Oh, look at that. We're traveling quite nicely with our current trade. Okay, so these fired. This was actually the alert right here, MATIC. This is the one I took. And look at all these alerts that come in here. Guys, jump on board with me. Click the link below the video. Go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Try it for 7 days. There's a 7-day trial thing. Give yourself an opportunity to find out how this could be an absolute game changer for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube. Give me a thumbs up, guys. I need some help building my channel, and the thumbs up will help the algorithm. That would be really nice. Okay, so here's our entry long. Our stop loss is under here. We take 80% and then we pull the stop loss up and we trail it under our dots. Now I didn't want to drag the video out, and I went back 10 of the valid signals where we have our signal preceded by the same signal and we ignore all the others. If we go back, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're looking at a pretty high win rate, guys. Now with this one, we've pulled our stop loss. Okay, our initial entry was up here. Initial stop loss above, just to wrap this up now. Okay, we took our 80% out, stop loss down to here, first up. Market moved, and we follow our cloud with the stop loss. Now the market's moved to here, and we have our stop loss just above the dots right here. There it is. Well and truly in profit, this trade is. If we continue down here, the next level of dots will form and we'll get to pull the stop loss down, and now this is actually a positive 56, okay? And we'll be $56 ahead here. But I'll do the right thing and I'll leave it where the dots are. Now we're $36 in front. This is in profit, this stop loss. Trailing profit. So guys, go over to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Go to the pricing page over here. Give yourself the opportunity. Try it out for 7 days and give yourself the opportunity to find out how this could be an absolute game changer for you while it's ridiculously priced at the moment. And I keep saying that has to change. You gain access to the indicators, our tutorials, private VIP Telegram, market reports, real-time trade signals, and you get my videos every day. With that, guys, hope you have a great day, and I'll look forward to seeing you in Telegram. Safe trading. See you on the next one.